Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common yet frustrating issue that many of us face: high RAM, CPU, and disk usage on Windows 10 and 11. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing, nothing slows you down like your system resources hitting the roof. But don't worry, I've got a comprehensive guide to help you smooth out those performance hiccups and get your PC running like new. So let's get started. First things first, let's open up the task manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S or right clicking on the Windows bar and clicking on Task Manager. This is your command center for monitoring and managing system resources. Step 1. Spot the culprits. Look under the Processes tab. Here you can see which apps are consuming your resources. If you see anything you don't need running, right click and hit End Task. Step 2. Disable startup programs. Navigate to the Startup tab. These programs start automatically when you boot up. If you spot high impact ones you don't need immediately, right click and select Disable. Already feeling a bit smoother, isn't it? But we're just getting warmed up. Let's tackle some more intensive fixes. Step 3. Adjust for best performance. Right click on this PC on your desktop and select Properties. Now click on the Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Adjust for Best Performance and apply. This will reduce visual effects, significantly free up resources. Now, next step is to clean up disk space. Press Windows key plus S and search for Disk Cleanup. Run it and select your main drive. Check the files you want to delete, including temporary files, and hit OK. And there you have it, folks, some steps to take back control of your system's performance. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your PC running smoothly. Don't wait for slowdowns to start looking under the hood. I hope this guide helped you get the most out of your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips.